How to fix GCash app not working on iPhone. For that, open up GCash app and then fully close the app by swiping up from the bottom and then removing GCash from the recent apps and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then go to the settings, then scroll a bit down till you find general, click on it and then go to iPhone storage and from here find GCash and click on it and then click on offload app. Click on offload app and now click on reinstall app and check if that fixes your issue. If you are still facing issue, then go back to settings, scroll a bit down till you find apps at the bottom. Click on it and then find Safari from the list and then click on it. Scroll a bit down till you find clear history and website data. Click on it and click on clear history. And this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.